genuine sense of appreciation for the belief and the trust. But for sure, for me, it's business as usual, because what is important is the club, and the club comes first, and it is a decision that the club made, and at the end, that's what's more important. And no individual is bigger than the club, and that includes myself.
He runs forward, trying to come back. Allende with a sublime ball. Morena! Oh, brilliantly worked goal! Hashim Domingo with a slick finish. And they've won it again. Big opportunity here. Left for Mayema, work to Morena! Again, they profit from the right-hand flank. 27-year-olds last week for Cotton Sports. Oh, this is too easy. First league goal for Cassius Malula. Now works forward once again. Well, similar to the first, exactly the same outcome. Finds Malula. Cassius Malula gets it again. There's his brace.
And that's what's been happening here. The timing is right. He times his run quite well.